Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Street Series video. Ignore my dusty ass car. Anyways, the XLR8 Flywheel, I was reading the box, that's it. The XLR8 clutch and the AASCO Flywheel are going on. You're watching a video on how to do it?
No, on the main seal, the juice is leaking.
Oh, it's leaking?
Look down there. That's why I asked you for the car cleaner so I can clean it up. Look, it's starting to leak from this ring up here. And this is next. You see it? You want to replace it?
Yeah, we could if you want.
Yeah?
Let's go back to AutoZone.
I'll go with you. Because we need to reseal this with Honda Bond. I just got a new tube of Honda Bond. I have to clean this up first. Yeah, look. This looks like it was already leaking, so I cleaned it up with the towel. Look at all the oil. You see it?
Yeah.
So it's already leaking, so it's better to replace it.
Alright. So back to AutoZone then, or what?
Go right now. Let me just clean it up.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some water. Man, this is dirty. Look how black the... Out with the old, in with the new. Alright guys, new flywheel is going in. It's way lighter than the OEM one, huh?
Yeah, way lighter. The OEM one was a bitch.
It's the AASCO lightweight flywheel.
Two, like 40 pounds. Two.
How many bolts are there?
8.
8? Marking all the ones you tighten.
Yeah. You have to do them in a star. So now we gotta torque this down to 19 foot-pounds. Just get the screw in there.
Alright guys, so the new lightweight flywheel and clutch are in, as you can see. Now all we have to do left, mount the transmission, and then refill the transmission oil, or transmission fluid, whatever you want to call it, because we did have to drain it right over there. But I got new transmission fluid, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Transmission going in next in here, just to protect it from the water, because for some reason it likes to rain in the middle of the summer, and then the next day it'll be beaming hot. But yeah, transmission going in next. Sheesh. Yeah. Transmission looks brand new. Hell yeah. I'm gonna need to get my engine bay detailed. I'll have Jerry do it, huh?
I could do it.
Oh, you could do it?
Yeah.
Alright. Sheesh, look at the Lancer. That looks way better lowered. Uh-oh.
We ain't on the same time. Money talk, baby, we ain't on the same line. All these pointers in my wrist, I can change time. You can see it in my face, that is game time. You say you with it, nigga, stepped in. And you ain't getting right, you getting left in. Real know your boy shit, you got.
Guys, Lalo got the phone call today that he has to go back to work, and he's in there crying. Check it out, guys. The homie David Chavez just pulled up in the Accord. Sheesh. And it's static. This thing's pretty low. Favorite part's the front end. Look how aggressive this thing looks. Ew. Yeah, fucking static boy problems. Broken front lip. You already know. It looks pretty hard like that though. Sheesh. Damn, this red looks hella dope. Camera doesn't do it justice, man. Hell yeah, guys, leave a like down below if you think this thing looks dope. Comment what you think, and then yeah, let's get back to this install. Just wanted to show you guys the homie's whip. Damn, those jewel headlights are sick too, bro. Look at that. I think that's my favorite part about the car. The front end. He's rubbing right there. This sounds sick. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, just about done. Whew. They should be right here. Oh no, I don't have the TSX keys.
Yeah, because you left them on the floor. And I picked them up.
Then you picked them up?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Where'd you leave them? You left them on the floor.
But you have them.
That's why now, yeah, I do, because I picked them up.
Alright. Alright guys, so as you can tell, it's already nighttime. So we're gonna go ahead, finish up tomorrow. The transmission is mounted, the flywheel's mounted, the clutch is mounted, everything's mounted. I'm tired. We woke up like at 5 to do Andrew's coilovers on the Lancer, and then we finished that around, I don't know, like 9, maybe 10. No, I think it was like 9 o'clock, and then we started on the TL, and that took, well, currently it's, what time is it? My watch is an hour behind, so 9:05. So from 5 in the morning to 9. So we're gonna go ahead and finish that up tomorrow, and then hopefully I can start driving the Type S. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning or afternoon, depending if I go to work or not. I'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, so all the transmission stuff is basically done. Now we're putting these new ball joints, because let me show you my old one. Shit was fucked. Yeah, here's the new ball joint. The damn tool from AutoZone, the one they rent you. All the fittings are too big, so we're trying to figure something out. And then we can get the subframe on there and, you know, tidy up the car, and then hopefully get it running by tonight. But we'll see. Keep you guys updated. Who? You wanna come on my YouTube?
Yeah. On YouTube? I wanna come
Yeah.
on the YouTube. No,
Yeah?
no.
Tell them to subscribe.
No. No. What happened to the wheel?
The wheel? It fell off because I was going 600 miles per hour.
Oh my god, it's fucking spider web.
I'll put that in the YouTube video. This guy's knocked out. You guys gonna stay up with us? Alright guys, we had to get the speaker. We're about to pull an all-nighter. Hopefully this keeps us awake. If not, I always got some pre-workout next door.
Yep. You open it, start going.
Damn, the fender's hot.
Yup.
Second quart. Alright guys, the car's up and running again. We're just making sure there's no weird things going on. But hopefully everything's good. Sheesh. Get back in?
Yeah, I want you to shift.
Alright.
First gear.
First gear?
Don't let go of the brakes completely.
The brakes?
I mean, the clutch. Go.
Alright.
Go.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put these red steel lug nuts that Lalo bought me. They come with the spike ends Probably put those on later, but for now, just to get the car running so I can wash it, go ahead and leave the flat tip on there and then install the spikes later. She's alive, guys. She's fucking alive. Just needs a wash now. Alright, so I was driving home. I went to get a haircut. And on my way home, bam. Flat motherfucking tire, man. I just got this thing running and already a flat. And then, like, well, my tire's fucked now, so I already ordered a new one. I'm gonna take this off tomorrow morning and I'm gonna go get it mounted and balanced. But yeah, as you can see, the tire is no good anymore. I don't know if you can't really see on camera, but it's like right here, like the wires are about to start showing. I was literally, my barber lives down the street. It's literally a stop sign away, so he let me use his air compressor. I put air, I drove it home, but the tire's no good anymore, so yeah. Make sure you drop a like to wish me luck on my next set of tires. But these tires are good, so for now I'm gonna just replace the one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking in the clutch. I already got a couple miles on it, but can't do that with a flat tire, so gotta get that fixed tomorrow. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next Street Series video. Peace out, guys.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't ever seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.